7 by 9, and bitch, you can slip, you can chalk it. Fall in the night time, gotta get mine. Ain't taking the shirts of the loss inside of the phone. Call up my nigga, send at home, polishing the back 10 chrome. Got a dick we can hit, so bring your shit, cause once again it's on. To the zone with a flip of bird, my wig to the curb, so I swerve and roll out. To pick up the 666 thug and plot out the murder for robbing the dope house. Smoke up out the vape bomb so high, now coming to slave with 4 grenades and a gauge. I'ma play with till I'm up all in the grave and light. Filling in mid dry late, we spotted the place and quickly rolled up. Bulldozed to the living room, hopped out of the car and started to blow up. Fucking a kaboom, it blew all them bodies all over the room. Them doom, and gotta move fast, why the popo's coming. Snatch up me, yummy, so niggas don't think it's funny. I'm coming up quick and not quite, cause flesh be loving this money.
I'm giving up love to the hustlers, all them Cyclip dusters, making that money, stand on your feet. And you better believe, gotta have that cheese for the green leaves, never catch me sleep. Steady on the grind, get mine, stand down from a crime, and I hit up the 99. Giving up that yo, making me say yo, 20s, nickels and dimes. Hit up a stick up a lick up that 211. Gotta get what's mine, then bailing. Me kicking up dust, I'm trailing, failing 187. That's how it is, and I got to have it, and then not quite. Mission to check a meal and still be real, thugging on the clock, creeping on the come up. Won't sleep till I'm done up, gotta blaze me blunt up. Hunt up another plot and scheme, gotta make some great consultants, nut up, what up. Gotta get that business on, even though the Buddha run is done. Me feeling lovely, but I'm just in it for the love of the money. Gotta make that money, man.
Money, man, it's still the same now.
Gotta make that money, man.
That money, man, it's still the same now.
Gotta make that money, man.
That money, man, it's still the same now.
Gotta make that money, man.
That money, man, it's still the same now.
Standing on the corner, straight slanging rocks. Oh shit, here comes a motherfucking cops. So I dash, I ducks, and I hide behind a tree, making sure the motherfuckers don't see me. Now my fat sack of rocks, hell yeah, I stuffed them. Police on my drawers, I had to pause, and yeah, it's still motherfuck 'em. Now my game is tight, tight as fuck. It's my game, easy motherfucking E or Eric Wright, it's all the same. Now niggas might trip on how I stacks my grip. I got to have it, bitch, for the love of this shit, motherfucker.
Been talking me thugs to thuggish ways. Up on my crime every time. Follow me down the 99 and you will find all of me kind. Check out the rips, the nails drop down. Run them up out of me hood. Red straight when I'm making me grip. When I make click, rollin' with ruthless. The thug I be me. Put them in mud, buck 'em in pump blood. Got nothing to lose, bitch. You better respect rip. Or you best just check this slug. It's going down. Steady pumping 3 rounds. Gonna with a McGang. Bang. Gotta make that money, man. It's still the same. Steady running things wild. Then follow me now while I take you up into a barrel of a gun. See, for the W done, for the bud I run.
Nigga, up on my thing, I'm in this thug game. So people's been creeping me crawling off on a mission to back in the days when niggas was belling with solos and wanted to get paid. But I took my side, little nigga rip, step up on a mission for money. You give up the cash, so that was your wins, cause me and my nigga was hungry. And bitch, if you're stolen, you might just catch one to the tempo and down bone, raw dog it. Some niggas just make this shit simple and run to catch one nigga. Me filling with bullets and double me rivers, remember me killer now. From under me dig ya, 6 feet in the ditch and get with you, cause bitch you was slipping, I'll get you and rip ya, then buck ya down. Steady robbing and stealing, making a killing, nigga drug dealer, needing a million, hustling drugs where the thugs be chillin'. For the money these niggas be selling, off in the gut where you find a nigga thuggin', off in the breaks and skullers. And when I stick you and lick you up in my right, get up my fold the love and more. Yeah, bound in the motherfucking house for the 9 quarts, nigga. Yeah, rollin' with Ruthless in this bitch. My nigga Lazy Bone, Busy Bone, Wishbone, and Fleshy Bone. And I'm that nigga Crazy Bone. In the